What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to the Cars and Coffees in Lake Nona. It's the first one I've ever been to and never actually seen this in person. I've always heard about it, always online, and it's going to be pretty interesting seeing all the cars that's going to be there. I know there's different sections for different cars like exotics, Ford, Chevys, imports, muscles, and what have you. It's going to be an interesting day. I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you guys the cars there. We're going to see what Lake Nona's got to offer with cars. We're up early now. It's going to be from 9 to 12. Getting there around 10-ish. Hopefully by then all the cars will be there. I can take some photos and get some videos of the cars and show you guys all the in-depth looks at the cars and things of that nature. So let's go check the show out and see what it's all about.
Walked out. You guys didn't even know? I don't know much about cars.
Yeah, this is what it is.
I was like,
I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow.
Alright y'all, hope you guys enjoyed that video of the cars and coffee in Lake Nona. Now these cars that came to Lake Nona were very high-end, a lot of Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Audis, and Porsches are high-end cars. You don't get a lot of those from other local car shows. I think Winter Park maybe had some, but I wasn't there early enough to see them. It's nice for them to bring the cars here and show all the cars all lined up. I got some good photos of some lineups, some cars like the Mustangs, the Dodges, the Lamborghinis, some Audis. I got like lines of that. But it was cool seeing these cars and the different view layouts of how they set up here in Lake Nona. It was pretty cool seeing Drive Shack and the hotel next door being able to have that tolerance of all these cars here, because we had to park in the hotel parking, and then Drive Shack doesn't open yet, I don't think, because nobody could get in there. It's blocked off with the cops and whatnot, but it's very spread out with the cars that are leaving compared to when they're at the show. You gotta kind of walk a distance to get to the end of the road, and once you get to the road, you gotta get a good spot. And I was having issues with the lighting because I sat on one side of the road and I was against the sun, and then when I got on the other side, I got a better view of the cars leaving, but I wasn't able to get the whole thing of them leaving and also going down the road. I was only able to get them coming in, but we'll keep figuring out. I have to change lenses on my camera. I have a lens that's not adjustable, it's fixed. It's really wide, but I need one that goes from more than 18 to 50. So it's coming in the mail. I got it for Black Friday. I'm really excited to try that lens out. And then also put in some new filters as well and try out those for the other shows coming up. And this one was pretty cool. I enjoyed it. It went very fast. I got her at 10 and it ended around 12, but around 11 is when everyone left. And I had to make sure and get a good spot before everyone else took the spots. But it was, all in all, it was a good show. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. I hope you guys enjoy all the cars that are in the video, and I appreciate everyone who's been staying, watching the whole video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. You'll see more content of car shows again coming soon, and then we got a new podcast episode coming out as well. So coming towards the end of the year, I'm trying to get some more podcasts in as well, some more vlogs, and then we're gonna do some how-tos with my truck and my dirt bike as well, and we'll pretty much go from there. But I appreciate everyone who stayed for the whole video. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.